Hey everybody, Abby here from Twist Me Pretty. Welcome back to my channel. I have got a really beautiful braid plan for you today. It's not super hard. I've been seeing this a lot on Pinterest lately and I just felt like a tutorial would be a good thing. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, click that little red button down there, and let's jump into it. Take a section from the crown of the head, making sure to leave a few inches of hair out in the front because we're going to use those in a second. Go ahead and give this section some volume and then twist the hair. This is going to be where we actually secure it with a bobby pin. So you're going to grab a small section that's on the outside of the twist with your bobby pin and then flip the bobby pin in so that it's going into the twist, and then the flat side of the pin should be on top. Then you're going to take a small section from the front, one on each side, and bring them to the back and make sure the sections are kind of smoothed out so there's no bubbles. And then you're just going to knot the two sections together. So the section that's crossed underneath is the one that's going to go up and through. And then you're going to pull that knot tight and make sure that it's close to or on top of the first pin. Now you're going to hold the tails with one hand and with the other hand stretch the knot so it's nice and big and fluffy. And then you're going to take another bobby pin and we're just going to slide it into the knot to secure it. The tail on the left side of my knot was sticking out just a little bit, so I took another bobby pin and just kind of secured it down. And then you're just going to take two more sections from the front, one on each side. These sections should be right above the ears. You're going to smooth out the sections and then do another knot. So we're going to fluff up the knot afterwards so that it's nice and big and fluffy, and then we're going to pin it secure with a bobby pin. I'm spraying the knots here with my Kenner 25 hairspray just so they don't move anywhere. And then I'm going to take the tails of that second knot and we're going to knot it one more time. And we are finished, my friends. That is all there is to it. It's so super easy. I think it's so beautiful and it'd be really cute with the rest of the hair in a fishtail or a low bun or something to dress it up. So let me know what you think about it in the comments. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this braided, knotted hairstyle. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And then I'm actually gonna choose somebody from the comments to give one of my hairstyle books away to. So I will make sure to dish the winner in the description box of next week's video. All you have to do is leave a comment. I just kinda wanna say thank you for always supporting me. You guys are the best. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye everybody.